We're here at the App Promotion Summit 2014, and we're talking to Thomas Sommer, Senior Marketing Manager at AppLift. Thomas, nice to see you.
Good to be here.
Firstly, can you just explain a little bit about what AppLift does and what services you offer to developers?
Sure. AppLift is a mobile games marketing platform. So on the one hand, we offer user acquisition and re-engagement services to mobile game publishers. And on the other hand, we enable our media partners to efficiently and effectively monetize their mobile traffic through flexible native integrations.
Great. And when it comes to monetization and user acquisition, how do mobile games differ from regular apps? Is there much difference between the two?
There's a lot of things which are similar in terms of App Store optimization, campaigns, etc. But I'd say that for most types of games, main difference that the audience is global. Therefore, the acquisition efforts should also be global. There's some specificities to games as well in terms of acquisition and re-engagement. For instance, we specialize in lifetime value optimization, and when we talk about games, of course, it's a bit different because the way that we perform optimization through lifetime value assessments is that we're going to look at proxies within games, and these proxies are very, very specific to games. For instance, it could be tutorial completion or first in-app purchase, reaching a certain level. So for each specific game, there are specific achievements within the game which we are actually using to optimize lifetime value.
Right.
I would say, for instance, for re-engagement, it's the same. We are looking at specific user behavior within games to assess when, for instance, when a user has dropped out of the game. I would say I could use a simple example. For instance, the user has dropped out to level 8, and we'll use this specific information to retarget and re-engage the user on this specific piece of information. Yeah. So we'll, for instance, have a banner that says "Stuck at level 8, unlock this booster for free and go back to the game."
So what do you think are the main challenges right now when it comes to successfully monetizing and promoting a mobile game?
Well, in terms of promotion, the competition is fierce. I would say that's there's more and more players around the world. Competition from Asia, competition also from the local markets here as well. And I would say that the main challenge for mobile game publishers today is to acquire users which will eventually be retained and monetize. And we've seen over the past 2 years that the focus has completely shifted from quantity, not to quantity to quality, but to quantity with quality. And that's something that we're trying to help game publishers with at AppLift. I would say on the monetization side, it's become more and more difficult to monetize because the freemium model is extremely hard to achieve. There's a study by Swerve that says that less than 1.5% of users actually monetize through in-app purchase. So the challenge for mobile game developers is choosing the right balance between for free-to-play games, of course, which is the majority of games at the moment, to get the right balance between monetizing through in-app purchase and advertising.
Right. And do you think it's a sort of no-brainer to go freemium now, or is paid still?
No, it's not a no-brainer. It's. I think each model has strengths and weaknesses, of course, and it's just about choosing one. I mean, it's like I'm always a bit surprised that we compare so much the freemium model with the free-to-play model with the paid model, because there's two completely different products. It would be comparing two different things. So I think for mobile game developers and publishers, it's about finding the right business model early on and taking the right decision early on.
Thomas, thank you very much.
Thank you.